Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. Yes, we have a few things to open in this one, but it's not going to be a very long video because what I've got to show is just basically extras for a game. We're going to be starting the proper unboxing for this particular game in the next video. But we're going to continue with what we have by going through some of the little, extras. So we'll start off with this. It's from Mythic Battles, as you can see, and it's basically cards. Yes, sorry, not cards, card sleeves. So let's get into this. We will slice in, rip off the cellophane, and we can see better. We have this really nice looking image there, and one there as well. They're from Ragnarok. That's from Pantheon, I would imagine. We don't like Greek soldiers. But inside we just have these. These are the yellow sleeves and the blue sleeves. That's it really. Nothing major. It's just packs of sleeves. So we're not going to that. You've seen one sleeve. You saw the sleeves when I did Ragnarok. We just got a shed load more that we'll use for wherever we can. Next we have this. Now, nice mouse mat material, but it's not a mouse mat. Let's pull this open. And this one is for Mythic Battles Pantheon, as you can see, and it is, of course, once we can do the press studs here, a nice little dice rolling tray. Oops, there we go. Again, nice thin mouse mat material, but there we go, we have that. And we have another one of these things. Now we've got one for Mythic Battles Ragnarok. We didn't have them for Pantheon. So when this came out and it was a load of new stuff, one of the pledges was all new. Let's peel this off, then we can open it. We have the first look at Isfet. Yes, this is the latest game from Mythic Battles. Egyptian themed this time. We have had Greece, we've had the Norse, and now we're having Egyptian. And again, nice little dice rolling tray. I like these things. But we'll flatten it off again and place it to one side, because the last thing I want to look at I've had for each one of these, and it's a book, and it's all the art of Mythic Battles. Try not to slice into any of the pages when I'm doing this, and we'll have a look now and see what this book is like. Let's zoom out a little bit and then we can open up. It's not very impressive, to be honest. Oh, there's more pages. No, still not very impressive. And oh, there's something here. Here we are. Now I've got the main light on in the room. We've got 3 different lights on as well, so we're going to get a lot of glare, I think. But hopefully we can see through these. Absolutely. So we have here Apophis, the abominable serpent of the Nile, and Ra, the unrivaled king of the heavens and existence. So that is these 2, Apophis and Ra. We have Isis. We have Osiris. We have Set. We have Horus. We have the followers of Horus and the judges of the soul. We have Mat, the goddess of justice and truth. We have Amit. And Amit is the devourer of souls. Anubis. We have Amhe, the devourer of millions. There we go, we have an upside down pyramid. What else have we got? Sons of Anubis. Jackals from beyond. Beautiful artwork. We have a car priestess. We have mummies. We have Khepri and Geb. So Khepri is the great big beetle there, and Keb, was it Keb or Kreb? Geb, sorry, Geb. Titan of earth and clay. We have Thoth. And we have Bastet. Beautiful artwork in these books, I really do like them. Sekhmet, the majestic wild goddess. We have Bez. And we have Taweret. I hope I'm pronouncing these correctly. Sobek, he who watches silently over the waters. This video is not going to show them at its best, but these are beautiful artwork. Petsukos, looks like a great big crocodile. We have Apis, messenger bull of Ra, and Hathor, the great goddess, abode of Horus. We have quite a few pictures in this. Ptah, or Tar, I don't know how it's pronounced. I don't think we're even halfway through this book. We have Akhenaten, and we have Nefertiti, Imhotep, and Tutankhamun. We have Amun, and we have Bennu, the bird of fire, and Isfetis, the name of agent of chaos. Appropriate. We have the Sphinx. We have Amenhotep III. And we have the Colossus of Memnon. We have Mnevis, the Sacred Bolt of Ra. I really wish I knew how to pronounce some of these. We have Sheridan. And we have Ramesses II. I'm going through the whole book because the artwork in this is just too nice not to share. Oh, way up. We have the Hyksos Warriors. And we have the Medjay Guards. We have Thutmose III. Why is called that? Thutmose. Sorry, couldn't resist that one. We have Kenza, the wild Nubian princess. We have Taharka, the warrior king against the Assyrians. Tarseti huntresses. And Amanirides. Why can't people have just these? Why can't they just be called Fred, Burton, Norris? I can pronounce that. Babas. Fangs, howls and hands. Also it says here. And what else do we have? Tahotep. Cleopatra. Reshephates. Or Reshephates. Satis. We have Hatshepsut, ruler of two lands. We have Wadjet, the guardian of Lower Egypt, and Nekpet, the guardian of Upper Egypt. We have Uraeus, the watchful serpent. And we have Serpapad. We have Circuit. We have Nama. And we have Medjed. We have Kirti, the Egyptian version of Sharon. We have Shesmu, the Lion's Scourge. And we have the Daughters of Shesmu. And it's a really nice image there to take us into the board layouts. So these are the boards that we're going to be looking at later on when we open the main boxes. So this is Nun, the primordial ocean and source of all life. And this is the Breach, a gaping rift into the underworld. Neter Kertet, the threshold of the underworld. And then we have the Court of Osiris, place where souls are weighed. Oh, we're coming very close to the end of the book now. We have the first tomb. shaped like a scarab. Very nice. And that's it. So gives you the credits of who did everything, and some thank yous. Again, just nice little illustrations to finish the book. Here we go. Right, so not much happened in this video other than we looked at some quite nice items, the book especially, and the two dice rolling trays. Do like these. These are obviously going to go with the game and be used alongside the Ragnarok one. But join me for the next few videos where we will be opening the main boxes that we have for this particular Kickstarter campaign. This is just a little teaser of what's coming. So join me, as I say, in the next video. And until then, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.